wood, an essential building block of humanity since...
Do you love the smell of pine? Would you like to drink it?
All appreciate the value of ethanol. Go.
Ethanol. It's used in alcohol, which we all love, and as an alternative for gasoline, which produces cleaner burning and not nearly as much carbon monoxide. But we do not drink it dry. It's used in rocket fuel, which is super cool, awesome, and it kills germs. It is used as an antiseptic and antibacterial soaps and wipes. It kills viruses, bacteria, and fungi to create happy hospitals. Over here, we have the chemical composition. 2 carbons attached to a hydroxyl. This is very simple. It creates a cheap, easy to make, easy to use, and easy to transport chemical. So, finding it as a feedstock in many chemical plants. It's soluble in water, so it is also used in paint, deodorant, and to make pretty ladies smell pretty. And also to cook.
The strongest debate against ethanol production has always been the fuel versus food debate, from which we can see that all of the ethanol that is currently, or most of the ethanol that's being currently produced is coming from fruits and grains, producing sugars and starch, which is then converted into ethanol. But wait, what if there's another method? The cellulosic ethanol, which we take wood, cellulose to ethanol. Currently in the United States alone, there's 323 million tons of waste wood being produced a year, and 90.5 million tons being produced in mills. What if we could convert that process from using food to wood? We can eat wood.
There are 2 main processes for producing ethanol with wood. The cellulosic process and gasification. I will take you through both. First, we'll start with the cellulosic process. You have waste wood and enzyme production. The waste wood goes to the wood pretreatment, and the enzyme production goes into the cellulose hydrolysis. Wood pretreatment heads this way, follows the thing, and we get to glucose fermentation. Since ethanol comes from glucose, that ferments and you can send that to ethanol recovery. The excess from the wood pretreatment also goes and you get a pentose fermentation, which can also head up to ethanol recovery. The ethanol recovery creates ethanol, and you send that off to be shipped. You can also get a lignin byproduct, which is a value added, which you could send out for money. Now we have the gasification process. The gasification process consists of a feedstock, and you send that into the feed handler. That goes into the gasifier, follows along the line into the scrubber, which the syngas from that goes into the bioreactor. This bioreactor has an output of water and ethanol, which goes into the separator. The separator separates the water from the ethanol, producing pure ethanol and water to be sent back through the loop. The ethanol is recovered, and there is enough. Using ethanol as a fuel has tremendous potential. Cellulosic ethanol could allow ethanol fuels to play a much bigger role than previously imagined. Ethanol is a reusable resource, and using the cellulose fibers found in plant cells would create ethanol to be even more reusable, as we previously stated, using waste wood material to create fuel. 1.5 gallons of ethanol is equivalent to approximately 1 gallon of gas, so it's quite readily available. And using ethanol fuel as an additive is the same alcohol that we drink as humans, in essence, making our cars strong.